YouTube, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. We've got a quick and easy way for you to clean your stainless steel appliances today. And we're not going to waste any of your time. I know some of these videos can ramble on and last a lifetime. 12 years ago, we posted a video in the same spot on how to fix the scratches in your stainless steel, and that helped over 1.5 million of you. So today, just wanted to show you guys how we keep our stainless steel appliances so clean as we prepare them to go to your homes. Now, as you guys can see, our kitchen range today isn't the cleanest. We tried to simulate getting some grubby hands on there. Now, if you guys want to get this done around the house, we're just going to need a couple things. The first being rubbing alcohol, white vinegar, a spray bottle that you can dump out that we can mix some water with these items, and some cleaning towels. They can be microfiber, it doesn't necessarily matter. To clean, we're just going to need some water mixed with the white vinegar. So 1 part water, 1 part vinegar, put that in your spray bottle. You don't need a ton. When we spray this on the appliance itself, it's just going to be a modest amount. Now, what I like to do is just give it a modest spray. It doesn't really need much, and we're going to wipe with the grain of the stainless steel. If you guys get close enough, you're going to be able to tell which direction that goes. Right, now that we've done that, we've cleaned it off, we're going to take that same bottle, dump out the water and vinegar, we're going to put some water back in with the rubbing alcohol. That's what's going to bring out the shine in the stainless steel. We're going to grab a new rag just so we're not using a dirty one, and we're just going to apply the same process. So with the grain of the stainless steel, just a light modest spray, and we're going to wipe that down. This alcohol is going to dry quickly, so you're going to be able to see all the work that you've been doing pretty fast. Now, if you're missing any of the ingredients before and you need to run to the store anyway, I would highly suggest picking up either of these Wyman products, one being the stainless steel wipes and the other one being a spray that we can use our same rags for. Both of these are just about $5, so it doesn't set you back too much, and they go through about 30 uses. There's 30 wipes inside here, and the spray will last you forever. All right, we're gonna use the wipes first. Now, taking these, they're gonna work the exact same way as before. We're gonna wipe with the grain of the stainless steel. The nice thing about the wipes is that you can kind of get into your tight crevices that any of your appliances do have. It's gonna leave a little residue, so that's why we're gonna take our dry towel and we're just gonna go over the exact same areas, and then it will give us the same result as before. And if you guys opt in with going with the spray, I like to put this on my towel first. So we're gonna put that on the towel and again go over the same area. And then same thing, one more time, we'll take a dry towel and again just go over that same area and just get all the residue from the cleaner off. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. We tried to keep it short and concise to let you get back to your day. If you found the video helpful, leave us a like, and if you want to check out any of our kitchen appliances, head over to ProlineRangeHoods.com.